Hello, good morning. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nasra Nurdin and this is my partner, Ririanti. Nowadays, many people are interested in working abroad. They believe that working in another country can provide better job opportunities, higher salaries, and more valuable experiences. Therefore, many graduates are motivated to leave their home country and try to build a better future abroad. In addition, working abroad is often considered prestigious. People think that those who work in foreign countries are more successful and have better career prospects. This makes more and more young people interested in starting their careers overseas. Today, I would like to discuss the challenge of working abroad. However, behind all the behind all these expectations, there are also many challenges that people often don't realize. Living a foreign country is not only about working and earning money, but also about adapting to a completely new environment. People have to face different culture, lifestyle, and sometimes even different ways of thinking and communication. Based on some studies, people who work abroad often experience several difficulties, such as communication problems, cultural differences, and financial challenges. These problems can affect their daily lives and make it harder for them to adapt, especially for fresh graduates who may not have enough experience. Therefore, we believe that working abroad has many challenges that should be carefully considered before making a decision. Now, I would like to hand over to my partner to explain these challenges in more detail.
Thank you. Now I would like to explain some of the main challenges of working abroad in more detail. The first challenge is language barrier. For many people, using foreign language every day is not easy. Even if they have learning English before, real life communication is very different from what they learn in class. In the workplace, they need to understand instruction clearly, explain their ideas, and communication with colleagues. Sometimes they might not fully understand what others say, or they might feel afraid of making mistakes when speaking. Because of this, because of this, communication become difficult and can lead to misunderstanding. Over time, this situation can also reduce their confidence. The second challenge is cultural differences. When people move to another country, they also enter a completely different culture. Each country has its own value, habits, and way of interaction with others. For example, the way people behave, or even work can be very different. In some cultures, people are more direct, while in others they are more polished and indirect. This difference can make people feel confused or uh, uncomfortable at the beginnings. This conditional is often called culture shock. Therefore, the people need time and effort to adapt to the new environment and understand the culture better. The third challenge is uh, financial financial problem. Living abroad can be very expensive, especially for students, for fresh graduates who, who are just starting their careers. They have to pay for rent, food, transportation, and other daily needs. In some cases, the cost of living is much higher than in their home culture. Because of this, many people need to manage their money colorful. Some of them even have to work part-time job while studying or working full-time, which can be very tiring. This situation can create stress and affect their physical and mental condition. In addition to that, being far away from family can also become an emotional challenge. Many people feel homesick because they cannot meet their family and friends regularly. Uh, their family and friends regularly. They may feel lonely, especially when they face problems and do not have a strong support system around them. This emotional pressure can also affect their motivation and overall well-being. In conclusion, to sum up, working abroad might offer many opportunities, but it also comes with serious challenges: language barrier, culture difference, financial problem, and even emotional struggle are some of the difficulties that people have to face. This challenge can influence both their personal life and their performance at work. Therefore, before they decide to work abroad, it is important for individuals to prepare themselves in colorful, not only by improving their skill, but also by being mentally and emotionally ready to face this challenge. Thank you for your attention. That's all for me. Thank you.